Hi, today I want to talk about the Raleigh RSW folding compact bicycle. And here we have it. Now, to unfold the bike, the first thing to do, or to note, is this trigger here. By pressing that in, it releases the mechanism to actually unfold the bike like so, and it clicks into place like that. There we go. And the handlebars will have to come up. Put it on its stand, like so. So you got it into that position there. Now to straighten the handlebars up, you simply undo that and bring these up into position, like so. There's one. There's the other, like that. And then tighten the centre knob down with the Raleigh logo on it. Just put that like that. And there you have it. One 1960s folding RSW bike. I'll just do a quick walk around for you. There we go. It's a 3-speed bike, Sturmy Archer gears on the back. With a twist grip on here for 3 gears. It's also got adjustable height saddle, which is there, and also you can adjust this up and down as well. All in all, a lovely bicycle. Sadly, not many left. That's why I say it's an iconic brand. A lot of the parts were used for the later model Raleigh chopper, particularly the front wheel would fit a Raleigh chopper. So that's made this bike quite a rare item. So if you're in the market to buy one, there you are. That's what one should look like and should operate like. The Raleigh RSW Compact 16. Thanks for watching Iconic Brands. And please subscribe.